Welcome back to Instabills, everyone. Again, going over our intraday swing and long perspective, going over each perspective every single day with you guys. I'm going to make sure we're continue to stay updated on exactly what we're going to be expecting to happen next. As you guys can see with that rejection here on the upper end of our channel that we have been keeping an eye on. Again, our rejection yesterday here on the upper end of our channel, making sure that we were cautious going into today. And again, with another rejection, will we possibly continue on with this rejection since we did close just below our channel here, or are we going to possibly continue on higher intraday on a possible flag here? Again, we are leading into initial jobless claims. This is after last Friday. Again, non-farm payrolls coming out bullish, giving us that possible continuation on increases in unemployment, which was exactly why we got a rejection here again on the upper end of our channel prior. So again, keeping an eye on initial jobless claims coming in this Thursday will be key. I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for here. If you are a day trader, if you happen to be looking for major breakouts that we mention every single day in the Instabills room, 2.5 hours before market open, we mention any pre-market news that you need to be watching. Go to instabills.com in the description below, and only for $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So jumping into the daily chart with you guys here, again, we have been keeping an eye on our 20-day and our 50 that have been crossing lower here. Again, typically with that bullish momentum shifting into bearish momentum, we are spiking above our 50-day moving average as our 20 is still below our 50. So again, we are going to be looking for confirmation bouncing off of our 20 at some point. So again, with that said, we can make that bearish case scenario for that possible pullback and for that possible, again, bullish case scenario. And again, that would be looking for confirmation on the upper end of our channel if that did happen. So again, we still could give a bearish case scenario here. We are still getting that rejection on the upper end of our channel, and so our bullish case scenario, what will give us confirmation here is going to be looking for that bullish candle structure here that we have been talking about, getting that continuation on a spike. Again, intraday, that's a possible bull flag here, again spiking, consolidating here with the doji candle here on that rejection, a possible continuation. However, again, making sure that we do get that confirmation here on that bullish candle setup on a possible spike, a retest, and then a possible engulfing candle to follow through with it to show that we are getting overall that respect on the upper end of our channel that we have been getting multiple rejections from. Again, multiple times we have been getting rejected on the upper end of our channel. So again, keeping that in mind. Now looking at our overall strength here, again, this is our MACD, looking at our increases in buy pressure that we have been continuing on with. We have not got any white shaded lines coming in yet. We do not have our EMA lines crossing lower here or curling down. We still are crossing up above the mid-meter MACD. So we do still have a strength. Playing to the downside, in my opinion, is extremely risky. Playing to the upside is looking for confirmation. Intraday, for example, here on the 4-hour chart, as you guys can see, we are on a spike and we are sitting on that possible consolidation on that possible bull flag here. So again, that's that possible bull flag here, consolidating here, looking for a possible break. But again, keeping cautious as we do have our EMA lines on our 4-hour chart crossing lower here. We would want to see them cross back higher intraday. Again, looking for our EMA lines to possibly curl back up and continue on higher. Going into open is exactly what I would be looking for. So again, keeping that in mind intraday, that's what I would be looking for. Again, going into our swing perspective, we do still have that increase in buy pressure, but however, we do need that bullish candle structure here to show that we are confirming above the upper end of our channel and not getting that rejection that could be, again, that bearish case scenario with our 20 still below our 50. So again, keeping that in mind, making sure that we get confirmation here. And again, looking at our larger time frames, looking at our long perspective here, as you guys can see, again, we are sitting on a spike. We have not closed this candle. Again, we're still sitting within the middle of this month. So again, we're looking to see if we will possibly close back above this channel here that we have been getting, again, multiple rejections from on the up end of our channel. So again, making sure that we get that possible close of our candle, breaking above this upper channel to show that we have room to run to the upside, again, to the upper end of our 20 monthly moving average. So again, that would be that possible continuation on our monthly chart for that possible target. And that's exactly why we're looking for confirmation. And again, we do not want to see a possible rejection candle here. If we get a possible continuation on lower on the upper end of our channel, for example, and we do close with a possible inverted hammer, that could be, again, that rejection candle on a continuation from this rejection candle that we got. So again, keeping that in mind, we do not want to see that happen. But however, if we do close within our pullback that we had here, again, if this green bar closes within, we do have more of a possible bullish case scenario. So again, keeping that in mind on the monthly chart, if we do close a candle within our prior pullback, and again, a red candle, and following through with a green candle within our red candle, that shows us that possible continuation as well. So again, if we do close within our red candle here, it does show us that possible bullish case scenario as well. So again, longs, keeping an eye on exactly if we will confirm higher. And if we do, you will be looking at the MACD on the monthly chart, looking to see if these EMA lines will cross higher, since they are currently falling lower, and that could be that continuation on a sell-off. So again, longs, being careful, making sure that our EMA lines on our monthly chart do cross higher for that possible momentum and potential, in my opinion. So again, that's exactly what we're looking for here, just making sure that we do get confirmation here on the open of our channel. Again, that with that rejection on the daily chart, just being cautious. However, again, with that potential of a possible bull flag and that beginning of that retest that we'd be looking for after a possible spike. So again, that spike may happen. Now again, with that said, again, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for very volatile breakouts, we mentioned any pre-market news, any breakouts that are worth looking at throughout the day, go to instabulls.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert. Today, again, all of you Instabulls, I appreciate you guys every single day. I really do appreciate you guys. We're going to continue to go at it, stay patient, and take what the market gives us. Nice breakouts this morning, but very volatile breakouts. The market getting very volatile as we do test our upper channel. We'll see exactly what happens leading into initial jobless claims. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in free market.